Ever misplaced your wallet and felt that familiar knot of panic tighten in your stomach? Or maybe you've scrolled through your banking app and spotted a transaction that makes your eyebrows shoot up. In today's fast-paced world, financial security is more crucial than ever, and when it comes to your business finances, having control at your fingertips is non-negotiable. If you're a Relay card holder, you're already one step ahead with a platform designed for modern business banking. But what happens when the unexpected occurs? What if your card goes missing? What if you suspect unauthorized activity? That's precisely what we're diving into today: how to freeze or cancel your Relay card, ensuring you can swiftly secure your business assets and maintain peace of mind. Think of your Relay card as a key to your business's financial engine. Losing that key, or suspecting someone else might have a copy, can be unsettling. Fortunately, Relay provides you with the power to take immediate action, putting you back in the driver's seat. We're not just going to tell you what to do, we're going to walk you through the process step by step, highlighting the different scenarios and the best course of action for each. Before we jump into the how-to, let's understand the why. Why would you need to freeze or cancel your Relay card? Several situations might warrant these actions. Lost or stolen card, this is perhaps the most obvious reason. If your physical card is missing, freezing it immediately prevents any unauthorized transactions. Canceling the card ensures that the compromised card cannot be used again, and a new one with a different card number will be issued. Suspected fraudulent activity: if you notice unfamiliar transactions in your Relay account, it's a red flag. Freezing the card can halt any further suspicious activity while you investigate. Depending on the outcome of your investigation, you might then need to cancel the card and request a replacement. Employee departure: when an employee who had a Relay card leaves your company, it's crucial to cancel their card to prevent any potential misuse. You can then issue a new card to their replacement if needed. Temporary inactivity: perhaps a project is on hold, and a team member with a Relay card won't need it for an extended period. Freezing the card can be a temporary measure until it's required again, offering an extra layer of security without the hassle of complete cancellation and reissuance. Now that we understand the reasons, let's get down to the practical steps. Relay offers a user-friendly interface that makes managing your card straightforward. You have primarily two ways to freeze or cancel your card: through the Relay web application and through the Relay mobile app. Let's explore each method. Freezing or canceling via the Relay web application. Log into your Relay account, open your web browser and navigate to the Relay website. Enter your login credentials, email address and password to access your business banking dashboard. Navigate to the card section. Once you're logged in, look for the card section in the navigation menu. This is usually located on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on it to access the card management area. Select the card. You will see a list of all the Relay cards associated with your business account. Identify the specific card you wish to freeze or cancel. Click on that card to view its details. Choose your action, freeze or cancel. On the card details page, you will find options to either freeze card or cancel card. Freezing: if you choose to freeze the card, a confirmation window will appear. Carefully read the message, which will typically explain that freezing the card will temporarily prevent any new transactions. Confirm your decision by clicking Freeze Card or a similar button. You should then see a visual indicator, like a snowflake icon or a change in status, next to the card, confirming it's frozen. Canceling: if you choose to cancel the card, the system will likely present you with a warning message, emphasizing that this action is permanent and the card cannot be reactivated. It will also likely prompt you to confirm if you want to order a replacement card. Carefully read the message and confirm your decision if you are sure you want to cancel the card. You might be asked to provide a reason for cancellation. Once confirmed, the card status will be updated to canceled. Confirmation: after freezing or canceling your card, you might receive an email notification from Relay confirming the action. It's always a good practice to check your email and your Relay dashboard to ensure the status of your card has been updated correctly. Freezing or canceling via the Relay mobile app. The Relay mobile app offers a convenient way to manage your cards on the go. The steps are generally similar to the web application. Open the Relay mobile app and log in. Launch the Relay mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. Enter your login credentials, usually a PIN or biometric authentication. Navigate to the Cards section. Once logged in, look for a Cards or Manage Cards section within the app's navigation. This might be located at the bottom or in a side menu. Tap on it to proceed. Select the card. You will see a list of your active and potentially inactive Relay cards. Tap on the specific card you want to manage. Choose your action, freeze or cancel. On the card details screen, you should find options to either freeze card or cancel card. The wording might vary slightly depending on the app version. Freezing. Tap the freeze card option. A confirmation prompt will appear, explaining the effect of freezing the card. Confirm your action. The app should then visually indicate that the card is frozen. Canceling. Tap the cancel card option. You will likely see a warning message about the permanent nature of cancellation and the potential need for a replacement. Confirm your decision if you wish to proceed. You might be asked to provide a reason for cancellation. Once confirmed, the app will update the card status to canceled. Confirmation. Similar to the web application, the mobile app might provide an on-screen confirmation message, and you might also receive an email notification regarding the change in your card status. Important considerations and best practices. Act quickly if you suspect your card is lost or stolen, or if you see unauthorized transactions, don't delay. Freeze or cancel the card immediately to minimize potential financial loss. Understand the difference. Remember that freezing is temporary, while cancellation is permanent. If you freeze your card, you can usually unfreeze it later if the situation is resolved. Once a card is canceled, it cannot be reactivated, and you will need to request a new one. Review transactions regularly. Make it a habit to regularly review your Relay account transactions to identify any suspicious activity early on. Contact Relay support if needed. If you encounter any issues while trying to freeze or cancel your card, or if you have any concerns about fraudulent activity, don't hesitate to contact Relay's customer support for assistance. They can provide guidance and help you navigate the process. You can usually find their contact information on the Relay website or within the mobile app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.